Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another trading video. Today is December 1st, the start of a new month, and I took a trade this morning, so let's jump over to TradingView and look at the chart. Alrighty, here we are in the charts. This is the daily time frame, and we have a bullish fair value gap right here. It looks like this is today's price action. Price came down, tested this bullish fair value gap and bounced. So as long as we remain inside of this fair value gap on the higher time frame, I was going to remain bullish, as well as we've just been kind of ripping lately. So we have higher highs and higher lows. So that also leads me to be more bullish. Okay, so now we're on the 5-minute chart. We are on MES and MNQ. I'm kind of just bouncing between these assets to see if we can get some sort of SMT divergence. So let's go ahead and push play and see if either of these levels can get taken out on either pair. Okay, so as you can see, we came down and we swept London's low. So that level's been mitigated. Also, we create an SMT divergence here. On MNQ, we end up creating a low and then a lower low. And then on MES, we create a low and then a higher low. So because I'm trying to position myself long, I don't want to trade MNQ because it just created a lower low. So if I'm trying to position myself long, I'm going to trade the index that created the higher low. So right now I'm looking for a long on MES. So now that we have that form of manipulation and we have an SMT divergence, I'm looking to position myself long. But in order for me to position myself long, I would need a change in the state of delivery, which would be a close above these down candles, or I need a market structure shift, which would be more or less a close above this high. So let's go ahead and move forward. Okay, after this candle closed, this is where I entered. I put my stop at these lows here, and I put my target at 1 to 1. So my plan was as soon as price takes out this high and creates a higher high, I'm going to reduce my risk by 50%. So move forward a bit, right there. Right there, we end up taking out that high. So at this point, I am moving my stop loss 50%. I have this nice little tool I can do that. Okay, now we can delete it. Now we're in a 2 to 1 trade. Let's fast forward. And so as I fast forward, you can see that this trade ended up panning out. Um, Ultimately, I was risking 1 to 1, but as soon as we got some sort of confirmation, I moved my risk, and now this was a 2 to 1 trade. So the risk would have been $50 to make $110. So yeah, that's the thought process. That's the trade I took today. $110 green day. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to TradeZella. So today, first day of the month, Monday, $105. It would have been 110, but obviously there's fees and commissions and stuff like that. So overall, since I started this trading journey, I'm down $304. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.